Hello friend, I'm going to show you now the such reasons we're having the heavy rainfall and we're having the poorly destroyed by the waters. So let's watch it and think on it, okay? And as you can see, the waters on the road, everywhere the waters, now on the road. And here sand and the brick have been collected there. And as you can see here, the water also is collected in that area. And here also the water flowing on the road. Oh, so let's go. As you can see, the water flowing down from the roof. Oh yeah, this is the pig is getting wet, and this is the water start flowing. Yeah, these are the people. They move into their home. They have whole umbrella. Oh yeah, this is the scooty is also getting wet in the waters. And here the waters. I mean, everywhere here the waters. At the homes of some poor peoples, and also on the river and on the water also. Sorry, on the road. And yeah, they're the people. They have guns for some purpose. And this is the new home which I'm going to show you at it. And so let's go to melt the more effect of that water. And most interesting thing I was just about to show you that. And this is the one, the automobile. I'm just going toward well. Oh, there is too much water. Oh yeah, got my. Yeah, this is due to the waters. You know, uh, here is the waters everywhere, and this is the what we call lemon tree. This is, I think, yeah, this is the lemon tree which got destroyed. I mean, that get break down on its branch due to that heavy rainfall. Yeah, that was very interesting lemon tree, but now it's no last for a long time. So thank you for watching my videos. I will show you more videos. Subscribe my channel.